I'm back again, guys, with another amazing video about Ravencoin. Now, let's see the charts and what's going on. So right now, if you guys seen Ravencoin in the last few days, it has been taking off. This is really good for people who have been hodling or just been trading it like I do. Now, when it comes to this position, guys, this major support right here and it's bouncing up has been really doing good off these couple bounces. Now, this is what I do see the price heading to, this zone right here. Now, it may take a couple days, maybe a week or 2 or 3 weeks, but I do see the price heading into this zone. So this is how I would approach it, guys. So right off the bat, since I've seen this big move up, entering off of market, since that's probably the easiest way. Instead of doing a buy stop, might lose some of the momentum in that move. So I would just enter in market and head for this this previous high of 7 cents. So that's my price prediction, guys, at 7 cents. Now, if the price does head back down lower a little bit, let's say it goes back down to here, makes like a pullback, then I'll enter in again on another trade and have 2 entries looking for this position here. So what I'm going to do, if it does number option 1 heads up, I'm going to do, if it hits like about 5 cents, I'm going to move my stop loss above my entry, locking in the trade. And if it hits 7 cents with 2 entries, makes a pullback, I'm just going to close 1 entry at the 7 cents level, move my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade, and then letting it run. And if it does that, then I'll have a long-term trade, a good position in. And if it comes back down, knocks me out of my trade, at least I took home some profit off that secondary position. So that's the 2 ways I'm going to get into, guys. Trading that, and my my price prediction is 7 cents. But if you look at the video I made last time about Ravencoin, talking about how this is temporary right here, and this is a couple days, not 2 days ago. Like it was just part right here. So let me zoom in a little bit. All right, if you guys looking at the chart right here, this is what I was talking about last video. See this right here? And then it collapsed down, basically bounced out the support, big money came in and going up like that. So that's what I was thinking about here while I was trying to protect myself from taking a loss. I don't like taking losses as I trade instead of doing cash positions. If you're doing cash positions, guys, usually you just want to do like dollar cost average in a sense and basically just buy all the dips. And that's what I would do if I was going to do all that. But I prefer trading it over cash positions. But it was some good news. This is in the top 100, number 98. Last time I made this video, let's see, it was, I'll let that load a little bit. It was ranked 119, and it was at 3 cents. And now we're at a little bit above 3 cents, almost 4 cents. So we're a little bit higher. Market cap is about $395 million on 203,000 watch lists. So we've gained 2,000 more watch lists, and market cap wise, about $80 million is around there. Now, if you guys are looking at trading hodling this thing, guys, here's all the markets. I will have a link below so you guys can find it, be able to see if you can trade or do stuff like that. If you're looking for their news, guys, check out this right here. This is their the news. And if you're looking for their website, let me get their website right here. It basically is ravencoin.org. So please check that out. Check out their website. Check out their Twitter page. Learn more about it. See what the news about it. Some updates. Also, guys, if you want to learn more about trading, go to my website. Trading systems that you'll definitely love. On here, I will be adding some programs. So if you guys looking, if you do trade with MetaTrader 4 or 5, please check that out. I got some indicators for you, markets and economy stuff, and MetaTrader 4, the web and 5 web version. But tell me what you guys thoughts are about this video, guys. And tell me if you guys think same thing or are you guys in this trade. But that's the video, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.